Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is ASEAN Foreign Ministers Meetings. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. Recently, the Ministry of External Affairs announced that External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar is set to visit Vientiane, Lao PTR to participate in key foreign ministers meetings. He will attend meetings in the format of ASEAN India, East Asia Summit and ASEAN Regional Forum. Now let's discuss about ASEAN. The Association of Southeast Asian Nations or ASEAN was established on 8th August 1967 in Bangkok, Thailand with the signing of the ASEAN Declaration, that is also called Bangkok Declaration, by the founding fathers of ASEAN, Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines, Singapore and Thailand. Brunei Darussalam joined ASEAN in 1984. Followed by Vietnam in 1995, Lao PDR and Myanmar in 1997 and Cambodia in 1999, making up what is today the 10 member states of ASEAN. In 2022, ASEAN has agreed in principle to admit East Timor as the group's 11th member. The organization's goal is to promote stability and economic growth across these nations. Its secretariat is based in Jakarta, Indonesia. Now moving on to importance of ASEAN Foreign Ministers meetings. The visit underscores India's deep engagement with ASEAN-centered regional architecture and its commitment to ASEAN unity and centrality. It also aligns with the ASEAN outlook on the Indo-Pacific and aims to advance the ASEAN-India Comprehensive Strategic Partnership. This year marks a significant milestone as it commemorates a decade of India's Act East policy, which Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced at the 9th East Asia Summit in 2014. The importance of ASEAN to India was recently highlighted by the Director General of the ASEAN Department in Lao PDR's Ministry of Foreign Affairs, who stated that India remains a valued partner for the Southeast Asian bloc. India has reaffirmed its support for ASEAN centrality, the ASEAN outlook on the Indo-Pacific, and Lao PDR's ASEAN chairmanship priorities under the theme ASEAN Enhancing Connectivity and Resilience. Now let's discuss about East Asia Summit. The East Asia Summit or EAS was established in 2005 as an ASEAN-led initiative. It comprises 18 members, the 10 ASEAN countries and 8 dialogue partners: Australia, China, India, Japan, New Zealand, Republic of Korea, Russia and the United States. India views the EAS as a key platform for enhancing its Act East policy and strengthening its strategic partnership with ASEAN and other regional countries. At the East Asia Summit in Bangkok in November 2019, India had unveiled India's Indo-Pacific Oceans Initiative, which aimed at forging partnerships to create a secure and stable maritime domain. Now is the time for practice question. Consider the following statements about ASEAN. 1. ASEAN was established with the signing of the ASEAN Declaration, that is Bangkok Declaration, in 1997. 2. Its secretariat is based in Jakarta, Indonesia. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, or neither 1 nor 2? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.